Okay, here's what I've got so far. So it's a bigger mess than it actually looks. So most of this stuff, right now I'm not using, this is our little NRF, this is our radio module. This is the low power one. I think you ordered a couple of the high power ones, which we'll actually use for the real thing. And then this is a temperature and humidity sensor. I think maybe you got a similar one on eBay. I guess we'll see when the thing shows up. And then here's just one of my temperature sensors. So I have an LCD hooked up, but I don't think we're going to have enough pins for it. If we really want an LCD, we may be able to figure out a better way, but pretty much between this wire, the radio module, and having the rest of our sensors hooked up, I don't think we're going to have room for an LCD. But if we want one, there's always a way. Anyway, so what this one does right now, so we've got our code. Let's check it out. So this says the Perfect Pi Pod, and then it tells us our soil temperature, air temperature, humidity, and our heat index. So, and then it just spits out a reading every 10 seconds. So if I fog my breath on it, now our humidity is up to 80% with my breath fog. So basically I have this thing measuring our air temperature and air humidity, and then this one represents one of our soil probes that will be down in the soil to tell us soil temperature. And then anyway, I was going to hook up the LCD so we could push a button over here and it would cycle through all the readings, but I haven't gotten that far yet. I have it all hooked up, but anyway, so that's where we're at so far as the Arduino side goes. And then the Raspberry Pi, here's my Pi. I got one of these cable things for it, and then it pins out all the GPIO pins. So, and then I have our radio module hooked up to it right now, but so anyway, yeah, so this is the humidity sensor I ordered off eBay, but I don't know what kind, I guess we'll see what kind you got. Probably a better one. This one was like 50 cents or something. Anyway, that's where we're at.